It is very rare to find kids who want to drink medicine. Nakakasuka kasi and very displeasing talagang lasa. But we know that when we follow the prescription, mas mabilis din tayong gagaling. That is why I'm very fond of Bartimaeus. Makaawa siya kay Jesus nang paulit-ulit nang tawagin na siya nito. Bartimaeus immediately obeyed the disciples who said, "Take courage, get up, Jesus is calling you." Guess what? His obedience led to healing. Minsan, nagmamakaawa rin tayo kay Lord to help us in our struggles at sa iba pa nating isipin sa buhay. But the question is, do we obey Him when He sends instructions for our healing and provision of our needs? G ka ba?